Hello everyone, I am Vijay Kevlani, Assistant Professor, LJ Institute of Pharmacy. Welcome to a MOOC session, an initiative taken by LJ Institute of Pharmacy. In today's session, we are going to talk about blood. So blood is a special type of fluid connective tissue derived from mesoderm. The branches of science concerned with study of blood forming tissues, and the disorders associated with them is called hematology. So hemato is a Greek word that means blood, and logy, that is from logos, and logos means to study. So study of blood, it is branch called hematology. Properties of blood. So it is bright in arteries and dark red in veins. The mass of blood is 8% of all body mass. The pH is slightly alkaline. The taste is salty. Temperature is 38 degrees centigrade, or you call it 100.4 degree Fahrenheit. Viscosity, so it is 3 to 4 times more viscous than water, and volume is near around 5 to 6 liters. Composition of blood. So blood mainly contains blood cells and plasma. As we already know, whenever we take a blood in a tube and we centrifuge it, so the blood cells present in blood will settle down and the clear liquid will come upwards, and that clear liquid is known as plasma. The cells present in blood are white blood cells, red blood cells and platelets. Note that only white blood cells are true cells. Red blood cells do not possess nucleus, hence they are not actual cell, and platelets are parts of thrombocytes. They are fragments actually. So as I said, blood, it contains plasma and cellular elements. Plasma is 55% and cellular elements, that is blood cells, are 45%. Now in cellular elements there are RBC, WBC and platelets. So plasma. Plasma is a pale yellow colored liquid component of blood that holds the cellular element of blood in suspension. Composition of plasma. So plasma mainly contains water, that is 91.5%. Apart from water, there is protein, that is 7%, which includes albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. And apart from this, there are other salts, that is 1.5%, which includes electrolytes, gases, nutrients and waste products. Functions of plasma. So as per the constituents present in plasma, that is water, which absorbs, transports and release heat. Next is albumin, which is maintaining the osmosis. Next is globulin, which plays role in defense mechanism. Next is fibrinogen, which is having role in blood clotting, and lastly electrolyte ions, which is maintaining pH and buffering of blood. Now very first cell is a red blood cell. So shape of red blood cell, as we already know, it is biconcave, non-nucleated. The size, or you call it the diameter, is 7 to 8 micrometer and thickness is 2.5 micrometer. The color is red as it contains iron. Normal count in an adult male is 5.4 million of RBC per microliter, and in adult female it is 4.8 million RBCs per microliter. Lifespan, as we already know, it is 120 days. Erythropoiesis. The production of RBC, that is known as erythropoiesis. In an adult, red bone marrow of long bone is a place where erythropoiesis occurs. In child, bone marrow of all bones are place where erythropoiesis occurs, and in foetus, liver and spleen is the place where erythropoiesis occurs. Increase in number of RBC is known as polycythemia, and decrease in number of RBC is known as erythropenia, or you call it anemia. Functions of RBC. So very important function is transportation of oxygen from lungs to tissue. Second is transportation of CO2 from tissue to lung. Normal blood contains 13 to 15 gram of hemoglobin per 100 ml of blood. One RBC contains about 250 million molecules of hemoglobin. Each molecule of hemoglobin carries 4 molecules of iron, and this iron is responsible for red color. The iron will bind to oxygen and hence it plays important role in oxygen carrying capacity of body. Moving on, white blood cell. So shape of white blood cell is amboid nucleated. The size is 12 to 15 micrometer. Color is colorless and translucent. Normal count of WBC are 5000 to 10,000 WBCs per microliter and lifespan is 10 to 13 days. Leukopoiesis. So the production of RBC is known as leukopoiesis. In adult, it occurs in liver, spleen, tonsils and bone marrow. In fetus, it occurs in liver and spleen. Increase in number of WBC is known as leukocytosis. Decrease in number of WBC is known as leukocytopenia. Pathological increase in number of WBC is known as leukemia, that is also known as blood cancer. Types of WBC, so there is granular and agranular. This classification is based on appearance of WBC under microscope. As granules are present in both types of WBC, but under microscope only granular types of WBC shows granules, while a granular type of WBC does not show any granule. Now under granule there is neutrophils, acidophil and basophil. Under agranulophils there is lymphocytes and monocytes. Talking about granular WBC, that is neutrophils, the nucleus within this WBC is 3 to 4 lobes. It is stained with neutral dyes. The function of neutrophil is to destroy bacteria by phagocytosis and location of where it is produced, so that is bone marrow. Next is acidophils. So it is having nucleus with 2 lobes and it stains with acidic dye, that is eosin. The function of acidophil is to combat the effect of histamine in allergic reaction and it is produced from bone marrow. Next is basophils. So nucleus with instruct lobe and it stains with basic dye, that is methylene blue. The function is to liberate heparin and histamine in allergic reactions and it is produced from bone marrow. Next is agranulocytes. So that is lymphocyte. It is the smallest WBC and large round nucleus. Function is to produce antibodies and it is produced from bone marrow, spleen and tonsils. Next is monocytes. So the largest WBC, it is large kidney shaped nucleus and the function is ingest microorganisms. It is also produced from bone marrow. Next is platelets. So shape of platelet is circular biconvex non-nucleated. The size is 2 to 5 micrometer. The count is 1.5 to 4 lakh platelets per microliter. Lifespan is 5 to 9 days and function is blood clotting. Moving on, thrombopoiesis. The production of platelet is known as thrombopoiesis. Platelets are the fragments of large cells called megakaryocytes and that remains in the bone marrow. Increase in number of platelet is known as thrombocytosis and decrease in number of platelet is known as thrombocytopenia. Blood clotting. So blood clotting is the process in which blood loses its fluidity and becomes a gel-like mass few minutes after it is shed out. Process of blood clotting. So very first is damage to the blood vessel and next to that what happens, so that is blood vessel contraction, then after there is platelet plug formation and lastly there is formation of clot. Frequently asked questions from this are: thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Pharma Ignite for more videos. Thank you.